Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to help you how to active and use the griffin-unlocker tool. You can see here the griffin-unlocker. Griffin-unlocker supported multi-brand griffin-unlocker with griffin-unlocker support models. You can see here the griffin-unlocker support the Apple, OnePlus, Xiaomi, LG, MediaTek, also Infinix, Huawei, Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Oppo, Samsung. A lot of models supported. If you click on here, you can see the model and feature: screen lock, FRP lock, IMEI remove, demo remove, factory reset. A lot of Vivo models supported. No need any credit for this operation. Just activation by the activation. So we will active Griffin Unlocker right now. You order now. Log in your Asunlocker account. Click on the order now. Select server service. Type here Griffin. If you type here the Griffin Unlocker or few keywords, you can see here the three services, one for 12 months, one for 3 months, and one for 6 months. We will choose the 3 month services without any registration on tool or web. Just you have to write a new username. I want to create and active my username as Unlocker team. And I want to write here my personal password that I will hide for you. Place order. Order after you have to wait 1 to 5 minutes to complete the order. You can see the order has been successfully placed. Then order history, check the server order. You can see order is pending. Order automatically will be completed within few minutes. We have to wait. We are waiting. We can recheck our order history. You can see successfully activated the 3 months packages Griffin Unlocker. We can install Griffin Unlocker right now. Remember it to Activation. You no need to register anywhere. If you already register it on tool, so you cannot active this account from AS Unlocker. So without registration, you have to order. Just order on Asunlocker. This account automatically will be created and will be active for Griffin Unlocker tool. Activation success, install success. You can see. Install after you have to go to your computer C drive. Then you can see the Griffin Unlocker folder. Then go to Griffin Unlocker. You have to open this tool. If you want to open this tool from desktop, so you have to send it via shortcut. Send to shortcut desktop, so you can open it directly from uh, desktop. You can see I have created the shortcut. We are trying to open the tool. You can see the tool open it, and my username is and I have write my password here, and we will click the login. You can see success, login success, and here you can see the menu option. Apple RAM disk also it has Apple RAM disk. You can Activation Hello and many more feature has on um, Griffin Unlocker. Griffin Unlocker support Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, Realme. On Qualcomm option, you can see the Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo. A lot of. Thanks for watching my video and stay with Asunlocker. Keep enjoy the Asunlocker service. Asunlocker is your reliable source.